A little quick and easy action.
Wait for the story upside down. Said, let's go down Crantown.
Pulley and an air intake, I guess.
Gotcha. That would make
Definitely not stop. Yeah, how many weddings have you ever been to? I feel like you're a low number.
Yeah, probably only a few. There's only one that's really memorable to me, and it was my brother's wedding.
Really? Only one that you remember?
One that's memorable. I think I might have been to a couple when I was real young, but...
What's that?
Price has been to one. Did you wear one of those t-shirts that makes it look like it's got a tuxedo on it, or did you actually wear a suit?
No, I had a suit.
Did it fit like...
He was 6 years old, so it was probably one his mom got him.
Oh, you were 6 years old?
He's only been to one wedding ever that he remembers.
I want to say 10.
Yeah, well...
When was the last time you were at a wedding?
So you weren't
that one.
Really?
Yeah.
So you weren't at a wedding as an adult? Holy shit. You didn't go to your fucking best friend's wedding?
No, they were already married when I met them.
Header sheet exchanger and our tank.
Nice. A little simple build.
Yep. A little quick and easy action.
Wait for the story upside down. Said, let's go down Crantown. I want to say that started off as Fresh Prince.
Yeah, I was going to say, that's exactly what it was. And he had no idea what he was doing.
Just took that weird. That's what I do, boys.
It is what you do.
That one was wild, though.
That was way out of the realm there, for sure.
Huh? Coming back in already, huh? You put the camera in or you're figuring it out?
You guys making fun of?
I think we went with separate people on that one.
I'm not sure you did.
I don't think we did.
What I do know is whoever you're making fun of is going to say it on camera.
That's what makes it fun, Eric.
Eric, you getting excited?
For what?
Your boat.
Yeah, I guess.
The trailer looks pretty nice too.
Brand new.
Eric got dropped off on lunchtime.
Huh?
His new duck hunting boat. I'm talking to the got all loaded up on his nice new trailer. Boat buckles. They are pretty sweet. I'm excited for you.
Fucker ain't going nowhere.
This thing all wrapped up and ready for the dyno, pretty much. Still smoking a little from the rescue headers. Sounds good though.
All right, 2015 C7 Z06. It's already had a Concord blower, pulley, and an AFE intake when it got here. Obviously a tune too. We did headers, heat exchanger, our tank, and a 103 throttle body. Let's see what we got. .635, 696 torque. Surprised it actually made a full pull first pull. I can definitely put more timing in it. So let's start there. Did this have a regular port and we did an export? You don't fucking know. You don't even, do you know your name? What is your name? Smells like paper or something's on fire. Eric. See if something's burning on this thing. I smell like paper or something on fire. Unless it's Matt Weldon or something. Unless I'm smelling Matt Weldon, I smell like paper burning or on fire or something. Is Matt shooting them fucking sparks right in a cardboard box or something? Oh, what did he say? Yeah? Oh. Eric's like, did you light something on fire? He's like, yeah. Yeah, okay. Fucking. Yeah. Yeah, I got fucking something on fire. Is that a fucking issue? Okay. .37. I actually put a little bit more timing in it, but it didn't take it. It got some knock and pulled it back out. It felt like Garrett was like tightening the strap as I... It felt like you were like tightening the strap as I went to fucking... And I didn't see you. I'm like, oh, I'm like, am I running over fucking Garrett? The strap felt a little loose. Can you check them? Yeah, like I felt as soon as I made a pull, like a second later, it felt like you like tugged on the strap. This guy does want to use a can of Octanium stuff also, so we'll see how much power it makes on 93 and then with a can of that. He said he doesn't really drive it all that much, so he doesn't really care. And it's got like in between a half and 3/4 of a tank, so we'll just dump one can in. Yeah, so it's not obviously picking up a bunch of power just as it is. Because it's on straight 93, so, and I forgot he wanted to do that stuff. So instead of me spending more time playing with it, we're just gonna dump it in and tune it, because that's how he wants to do it. You have to like, there's like a second one in there that you gotta like break through. Remember that was my problem last time, and I like missed half the container. Should be alright. As long as it's not backing up. Yeah, and just dump a full can in.
Alright.
It's got like in between half and 3/4 of a tank.
Smells like nail polish remover.
I like the smell of nail polish remover.
Maybe not.
It doesn't smell like nail polish remover though,
I
but
don't know what the fuck it smells like.
but I like the smell of nail polish remover. I'm gonna get this fuel cycled around a little bit. I'll be back. It's probably not all the way cycled around, but we'll see what she does. It got knocked like in the beginning, but then it tapered off, I'm guessing because it started getting some fuel up there, so it's had some timing. .663 722 torque. I'm gonna let this thing cool down. All right, let this thing cool off for a little bit. Let's do some little cold pull now that the blower is not screaming hot. Let's see what we got. Hopefully it'll pick up another 20 or so. .77, 725 torque. Might be able to improve on that. All right, are you leaving?
Yeah. Got a concert in Baltimore.
Oh, two.
Co-Wetzel.
Nickelback?
No, I wish. That'd be real lit. I'd have left an hour ago.
Who is it?
It's Co Wetzel.
Who the fuck is that?
A newer country guy. I wanted to see him.
Oh, that's a guy's name.
Yeah.
Co?
Co.
Have fun.
Thank you.
This Octanium is fucking awesome. The 684, 728 torque. Probably all we're gonna get out of this thing. Co Wetzel. I thought he was just saying like the name of a band. Like, I didn't think that was like a singular guy's name. His name is Co. Like K-O, C-O. The world may never know, I guess.
Thing got brought up again because I was like, yeah, Quetzal's a dinosaur. And he was like, you still believe in them fucking things?
Fucking Matt with his dinosaurs,
I
bro.
was like, Matt, I just went to like, you know, the Natural History Museum and they had dinosaurs.
Yeah, how do you know they're dinosaur bones? You ever seen a fucking dinosaur?
And then he went, those are just a bunch of fucking hippo bones strung together to look like a
so funny, dude. You know, someone sent Matt a dinosaur book. Like, yeah, it's so funny. I have it in my house because I gave it to Frankie. But yeah, someone sent Matt the history of dinosaurs or something. It was so fucking funny, dude. I don't think I'm gonna get any more power out of this thing. I guess I'll try one more pull. Yeah, I lost some, which I figured it would because it's getting warmer now. I'm gonna let this thing cool for a couple minutes and then I'm gonna do trans. I'm just gonna do some trans. It's not gonna pick up any more power, so I'll do a 4.5 first because it's got a stock tire on it, so I don't think it'll hold third gear. But I'll try a 4.5 and then go from there. Because it's spun there. I don't know if you guys can hear or tell, but that's fine though. It shifted fucking good. I'm gonna leave it there and call this thing done. So it ended up picking up like 40 some horsepower overall. Yeah, it's fine. I know what it made. Maybe almost 50 horsepower actually it picked up, but either way, should be fun. Later.